Now we'll do the construction of second problem in 11.2. Here, listen the question carefully. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Listen once again. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Here also we have to construct a tangent. But from where? From a point on the concentric circle. That is what you have to remember here. That means first we'll draw a triangle of radius 4 centimeters. First tell me what is meant by concentric circle. If more than one circle having same center of different radii, then those are nothing but concentric circles. Here one is of radius 4 centimeters. Measure 4 centimeters on the scale by using your compass. Draw one circle. Draw a circle like this. What is the difference between previous one and this one? In previous one external point. Here the point is on its concentric circle. That is the only difference. Remaining procedure is same. That means first mark this as O and draw concentric circle. That means center is fixed but radius only different. Radius they given as 6. Second circle, same center go. Draw one circle. Concentric means having same center but different radii. Yes, ready. Now mark a point anywhere. Here you can mark, here you can mark. For a change I am marking a point here. For a change I am marking a point here. Let it be P. Now what we did in first problem, after drawing this OP line we have to bisect. Same procedure here also. First join this point, but here the point is on the another circle. Now what we have to do? We have to bisect this OP. How to bisect? Take O as center of radius more than half. For this no need to measure. Approximately you can take. Okay. Is it more than half or not? Just observe. By observe, simple observation only. Okay. Draw two arcs here. One arc. Arc also should be very thin. Here one more arc. And without changing that radius, P as center, intersect the arcs what you have drawn. Don't touch while drawing. Don't touch the pencil. Don't draw like this. You will get wrong. Okay. Now join these two. Join these two. This is the bisecting. Then what it is? Bisecting line means definitely it is M, midpoint. It is M. Okay. Now what we have to draw next? Simply take M as center. Take M as center and OM as radius or PM. Draw one circle. Draw one circle. Like this you will get. Draw one circle. Now wherever this circle touching this inner circle, mark the points. Here one point, here another point. Okay. Join this. Okay, now how to verify? How to verify Pythagoras theorem? Simply, already we know OP distance 6 and radius of this circle they given as inner circle radius how much? 4. That means means here OP is the hypotenuse. OP length is 6. Why? Because OP is nothing but radius of the outermost circle. Okay. Then 6 square should be equal to 4 square plus 6 square equal to, from here to here, what is the distance? 4 square plus, measure the length. What may be, as for this, how much you have to get? 6 square is 36, 4 square is 16. 36 minus 16 is 20. Square root of 20. 2 root 5. That means here, if you measure, here we got 4.5. 4.5. Nothing but, otherwise 4.5 whole square if you find, for example, 45 square. 45 square is 20, 25. 20, 25. That means just 0.25 is that smaller errors acceptable, no need to worry. Okay, that means 6 square equal to 4 square plus 4 square plus square root of 20 whole square. Okay, then here also we got the correct answer. This is the second problem in the exercise 11.2. Now see the third one. Here they given, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeters from its center. Here I will give you the brief idea, you can construct it. Okay, very simple. Here first you have to draw a small circle of 3 centimeters like this, for example. Okay, then here you have to take 2 points which are at 7 centimeters from the center on its diameter. For example, this is the diameter. Here it is 3, here it is 3. Then 2 points at a distance of 7 means where I have to take? Compulsory 1 point if I take here, second point here you have to take. Let it be P and Q. And it is 7, it is 7. Now as usual, it is means draw perpendicular line here, bisector here. Then it becomes, let it be M1. Here also draw one more bisector, let it be M2. Okay, draw one circle here like this, draw one more circle like this. Now join P and this point, here also Q and this point. This is the way of construction. This is the idea for constructing third problem. Okay, thank you.